This is my reflection video about ICT. ICT is, meaning daw sa ICT is Information Communication Technology. Ito ang first topic namin sa ICT. Sa ICT daw is naka-include ang mga internet, mobile, tapos mga wireless network. It's include to mga technology such as landline, telephone, radio, television, broadcast is nagagamit siya sa ICT. Ang components ng ICT is to exhaustive and continuous to the growth of some components such as computer, telephone. Tas ang mga components ng ICT is device or hardware, software, middleware, data, wired networks, wireless network, communication technology, tas the cloud, the communication protocols and interface, information security, and government's policies. The ICT means that it's the less components encompasses the application of those various components. Yun daw ang components ng ICT. Ang second topic namin sa ICT is media technology and learning. My types of learning. Types of learning is habituation, sensitization, associative learning, classical conditioning, imprinting, observational learning, play, enculturation, multimedia learning, e-learning, and augmented learning. May types ng e-learning and augmented learning, electronic learning, and internet network ang types ng e-learning and augmented learning. Rote learning, informational learning, kag formal learning, non-formal learning, dialogic learning. Yan ang mga types ng learning. The domain of learning. Ang third na topic ni sir sa amin is the domain learning. Ang types ng domain learning is cognitive,